So the question is, this world is dominated by ex-cricketers, right? The world you are in right now. Commentary, presenting, सारे बड़े बड़े ex-cricketers हैं. You from a non-cricketing background, right? मतलब थोड़ा बहुत खेला है स्कूल में. कैसे क्रैक कैसे किया? ये जस्ट डिमांड्स नहीं होती, जैसे मान लो स्टार स्पोर्ट्स में चलो लग गई, उसके बाद how do you reach your?
See, one thing is I'm not an expert.
Yeah.
I don't have to be an expert. An expert job is an expert job, but the expert might not have the words that I have. I understand reading the game, learning the game, understanding the game every day with every match is my responsibility, right? Having played the game, वो सीखने में, when someone's talking about it, you can grasp it and your technical analysis and all of that, because you have to ask the right questions to get the right answers.
Exactly.
Core audience के लिए सिर्फ अगर मैं experts बिठा देंगे, क्योंकि वो geniuses भी होते हैं, right? उनके लिए हर चीज़ इतनी black and white नहीं होती. You have to, again, like I said, you have to build up, right? Conversation की कैसे core audience को भी उतनी आसानी से समझ आए. My responsibility is towards you, right? So I am the representative of the core audience to bring the best out of those who played the game. And I've tried my best to never cross the line. Issues happen if you maybe try to cross the line too much. There could be times that I'm much better prepared, right? Because वही हमने तो रोज कुआं खोदना और पानी पीना है. So my prep is probably more, because you do end up building the match, setting up the match, uska context, stats and all of that. And then I need to pull out their genius. They don't need to prep that much, because if they'll see a cover drive, they'll talk about that balance in that moment. But I have to build that moment. I don't have to tell you, even if I tell you that just look at the weight transfer. Back and across gaya, kitne अच्छे से एकदम सही position है, elbow, straight line and all of that. You'd rather hear it from someone who's done it, right? So I don't get into that zone. But even to be in that zone, to ask the questions and to commentate and to put out my observations, these guys who I sit with, ये मेरे को ground पे देखते थे a lot of, and this is a great my great fortune कि अब बहुत जितने जो co-commentators हैं वो खेल रहे थे जब मैंने शुरू किया. और करियर के पहले मैंने पहला सीरीज प्रेजेंट भी किया था 2012 में. 9 में एक छोटी सी सीरीज चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, थोड़े से उसके मैचेस प्रेजेंट किए थे. सो आई गॉट माई जॉब इन 2008, बट आई वॉज अ रिपोर्टर.